Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view Instagram stories without letting them know, without letting your profile name pop up on the view section. There is a certain somebody on Instagram you want to view this story, but at the same time do not want to let them know that you have viewed their story. In that case, the very first thing you could do is simply create a dummy account and then actually request to follow them and view this story if they have a public or private account. However, I'll also show you the other way. In that case, what you need to do is, so you just simply have to download the same version that I used in this video and then download the app and then simply just open up the Instagram application on your mobile and you have to tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, once you are in your profile, in the top right corner, just tap on these three bars. So you can see the first option, Insta Pro Settings. So click on this Insta Pro Settings. As you tap on this, you will see this kind of interface. You have to scroll down a little bit. You will find this option which is privacy. Click on this and you will be able to see a bunch of different options as well. If you look closely at the very top, you have this label or text which says hide view stories, and all you have to do is simply turn this toggle on right next to hide view story in order to not let anybody know that you have viewed their Instagram story. Once you have made sure to turn this toggle on, now you can come back and basically you can see now anybody's stories and no one else is going to notify that you viewed their story. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.